Hello, I'm Scott from Powell Fabrication. I'm a field service tech here. Today we'll be talking about the UniPro ACU. The maintenance steps we'll be talking about today is the filter, checking the filter in the filter housing. This should be done quarterly. What you got to do is first is dump the air off the ACU. Make sure there's no air pressure on it. Once the air pressure is down, you'll take the filter housing, you will lift up, do a quarter turn, bring it off, take off the filter, inspect the filter to make sure it's not dirty, wet, or oily. If it's good, put it back into the unit. Put the housing back on, push up, quarter turn, make sure she's on, return the air back to the system. Tune in next week for another tip.